Good morning, students. Now we are going to study chapter number 7 of your book Beehive, and that chapter is packing. What do you mean by packing? Packing means before you go anywhere, we do packing. Packing is a term used for things. Packing is a term used for keeping the things in an organized manner. Is called packing. Right? Now, before you read, do you like going on trips? क्या आप ट्रिप पे जाना पसंद करते हैं? What kind of trips do you enjoy most? How do you feel about having to pack for a trip? आप कभी ट्रिप पे, जैसे कि मैं ट्रिप पे जाता रहता हूँ दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, मद्रास. So in the same manner, how do you like, where and how do you like to go by on a trip, or by a train, by a bus, or by a reserved car? Each and everything matters in pack in a trip. So have you ever discovered on a trip that you have forgotten to pack a few things you very much need, or that you can't find them easily? क्या कभी आपके साथ में ऐसा हुआ है कि आप कभी किसी ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो and you have forgotten the toiletries, brush, toothpaste that you can buy. Suppose you have forgotten your vest, आप अपने बनियान भूल गए. Okay, you have forgotten your bermudas. So these things happens when we do the things in an organized manner. Right? Does this make you angry or does it make you laugh on yourself? क्या ये चीज आपको ऊपर गुस्सा, आपको कभी गुस्सा आता है या आप अपने ऊपर हंसते हैं? It depends upon you. Now read this description of how the author and his friends pack. Now I am going to tell you the story of packing on page number 83 of your Beehive book. But before that, I would like to share some of the important things that a person should do before a packing. Now here the author says, the author is Jeremy J. Jerem. It has been given in your book, right? Jeremy Jerem is an author. In the story Packing, the author Jeremy J. Jerem tells us that before starting any journey, we should plan and prepare for it well. किसी भी यात्रा को शुरू करने से पहले हमें उसकी अच्छी तरीके से प्लानिंग करनी चाहिए. We should not leave our task on others, right? We should not leave our task on others. I forgot to write that time. Okay? Now, our life is also a journey and we meet with complex situations many times. Packing thing is an art. किसी भी चीज को पैक करना ये एक कला है. And since I belong to defense background, my father was in Air Force and we have been traveling all over India in the last 43 years. In the last 43 years of my life, I have been traveling all over India and traveling is my hobby. ट्रैवलिंग करना मेरी हॉबी है और मैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में घूमा हूं और घूमने के लिए आपको पैकिंग करने की जरूरत है. तो किस तरीके से पैकिंग की जाती है, दैट इज आई हैव रिटन मेन पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर बिफोर ए ट्रिप. व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग ऑन ए ट्रिप, यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट्स. These all points are on the basis of my life experience of 43 years. 43 साल के जीवन के अनुभव में मैंने ये अपनी कुछ टॉपिक्स, कुछ पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं that may help you when you are planning for a trip. Keep tickets and booking slips in a safe pocket. Whenever you are going, suppose you are going by air or you are going by train, that tickets you must have a hard copy as well as soft copy. Soft copy means that we are having in our mobile. जो हम अपने मोबाइल में ईमेल और मैसेज के माध्यम से टिकट आता है उसे हम सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहते हैं, और हार्ड कॉपी जो हम पेपर रखते हैं, जस्ट लाइक आप इसको कह सकते हैं. I have a soft copy. I will show you, no problem. मान लीजिए कागज इसमें टिकट लिखा हुआ है, तो so this can be called as a hard copy. Why this is done? Because if your mobile gets switch off or if your mobile gets lost in the way, you can still have your tickets for the proof to show to the TT or to the hotel staff that you have booked these tickets. आपके पास में जो भी चीजें आप जा रहे हैं उसकी एक हार्ड कॉपी आप अपने पास जरूर रखिए। बाय द वे आपका मोबाइल गुम हो गया, आपका मोबाइल खराब हो गया, तो एटलीस्ट मस्ट हैव ए प्रूफ, आपके पास एक प्रूफ रहेगा कि ये होटल मैंने बुक किया हुआ है, राइट? Always distribute money to everyone. Whoever is going with you on a trip, whether it is a 5 years old boy or a 50 years old man, चाहे वो 5 साल का बच्चा हो, चाहे वो 50 साल का बूढ़ा हो या बड़ा आदमी हो, आप सबके पॉकेट में 150, 500 रुपए डाल दीजिए। Why? आप कहेंगे सर 100 रुपीस हमने छोटे बच्चे के पॉकेट में डाल दिया। Why? Why we should keep some money in the children's pocket also? That was a trick, or rather I should say trick, told to me by my honorable, one of my uncle, Warrant Officer Ramesh Mishra, who has told me this trick when both of us, both of families, it was that story of way back in 1998 when we went to a trip of Madurai, Kanyakumari and Rameshwaram. वो ट्रिप मुझे अभी भी याद है। 13 अक्टूबर को हम लोग बैंगलोर से मदुरई और मदुरई से रामेश्वरम, रामेश्वरम से कन्याकुमारी गए थे। तो उस अंकल जी ने मुझे ये सीख दी थी कि छोटे से छोटे बच्चे के पॉकेट में भी पैसे रख देने चाहिए। बाय चांस आपका पर्स गुम हो गया, if somehow your purse gets lost, because a trickster, a pickpocketer will try to pick your pocket. वो ये नहीं सोचेगा कि इस बच्चे के जेब में भी 100 रुपया है, वो आपके पॉकेट मारता है तो कम से कम आपके बच्चे के जेब में जो 100-200 रुपया है, उस पॉकेट से, उस मनी से आप कम से कम फोन करके आप हेल्प मांग सकते हैं। तो वो पैसा जो पॉकेट जो बच्चे की जेब में रहेगा, that can help. So that's why I have written this point number 2. Keep toiletries separately. Toiletries is a term used for brush, toothbrush, shaving kit, all those things are called as toiletries. Your soap, personal soap, and these toiletries must be separate for each and everyone. जितने भी लोग हैं हमारे घर में, सबकी अलग ब्रश और सबकी टॉयलेटरीज अलग होनी चाहिए। The fourth one, keep 2 light bags rather than a heavy bag. 2 हल्के बैग ज्यादा अच्छे हैं बजाय एक भारी बैग के। और 5वां, always keep some newspapers, bedsheets and homemade eatables. और जब भी आप कहीं टूर पे जाते हैं, you must have, घर के बना खाना ले जाए तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, न्यूज़पेपर अपने साथ रख के बेडशीट है। Now these were the things, it is better to write down, just you write down these points in your copy, okay, in your class of copy write down these points, and also you have to write down the theme. Now I am moving towards the chapter. Listen it carefully on page number 82 of your book. This is your BI book. I am teaching you on page number 82. I said I had packed. I rather pride myself on my packing. Packing is one of those many things that I feel I know more about than any other person living. It surprises me myself sometimes how many such things there are. I impressed the fact upon George and Harris and told them that they had better leave the whole matter entirely to me. Means the author says that he requests his friends to leave all the things, all the jobs of packing to himself only. वो अपने आप के ऊपर छोड़ना चाहता है कि अपने दोस्त से कहता है, he tells his friends to just leave the things on himself only. George spread himself over the easy chair and Harris cocked his legs on the table. Means both his friends, George was resting on the chair and his friends was also laying his legs on the table. Means both of the author's friends were taking rest and the author was doing the work. This was hardly what I intended. Intended means इच्छा करना, वो मैं ये एक्सपेक्ट करना है। एक्सपेक्ट, टू एक्सपेक्ट इज नोन एज इंटेंडेड। इंटेंडेड मींस एक्सपेक्ट करना। सो ऑथर वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग, ऑथर वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट व्हाट आई हैड Harris should do the job. Means author was thinking that he is going to give the directions to both of his friends, and again he will be the boss and he just keep these bags, slippers in this bag, keep these things here, keep these things here, like that. He wanted to give the directions and he wanted to take rest. वो खुद बॉस बना रहना चाहता था और अपने दोस्तों को इंस्ट्रक्शन देना चाहता था. But his friends didn't obey him. They just did the opposite thing. I pushing you them aside every now and then. Oh, you here, let me do it. There you are, simple enough. Really teaching them, as you might say. They are taking it in a way that it irritated me. There is nothing that irritates me more than seeing other people sitting about doing nothing when I am working. Means that author was very much irritated when he saw he was very much irritated when he saw his friends were just simply sitting on the chair and both were not helping the author. So he was confused and he got irritated, he got annoyed. उसे गुस्सा आ गया. I live with a man. Once I am teaching you on para number 3 on page number 83. So just look it in your books. I lived with a man once who used to make me mad that way. He would loll on the sofa and watch me doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look on at me messing about. Now I am not like that. I can't sit still and see another man slaving and working. I want to get up and superintend and walk around with my hands in my pockets and tell me what to do. It is my energetic nature. I can't help it. Means author was of such a nature that he used to, yes, what are you doing? What are you doing? क्या कर रहे हैं आप? Just do the work. Keep the bags in here. Like that you do it. Okay. So author was of this nature that he used to give instructions, but at the same time he would not do sit idle. He would just do the things himself along with the persons whom he were working. ऑथर उन लोगों के साथ भी काम करे रहना चाहता था, वो खड़े रहना चाहता था और खुद भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के साथ साथ वो खुद भी काम करता था. उसका नेचर ऐसा था. However, I did not say anything, but he started the packing. When he saw, जब उसने अपने दोस्तों को देखा कि उसके दोस्त जो हैं अभी तक बैठे हुए हैं, they are not doing anything. What he did, he just didn't say anything. He started doing himself packing. It seemed a longer job than I had thought it was going to be. उसे ऐसा लगा कि ये कुछ लंबा सा काम है. But I got the bag finished at last, and I sat on it and strapped it. आप देख सकते हैं. Just open to page number 84. Okay. After packing the things, जब उसने बैग को पैक कर लिया, उसको बांध लिया. बेडिंग हम लोग जब जाया करते थे बेडिंग मतलब से we used to go posting. ठीक है. तो इस तरीके का पापा को बैग मिला करता था बेडिंग. ग्रीन कलर के आपने देखा होगा जो आर्मी में होते हैं उनको बेडिंग मिलता है. सब बेडिंग ला के लेके जाते हैं. तो बेडिंग मींस उसको इंग्लिश में कहते हैं BEDDING. बेडिंग मींस उसमें सारे बेडिंग सारे कपड़े रखे जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो दैट थिंग बेड्स जब डिफेंस के लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं बहुत सारा सामान उनके साथ में हो जाता है. और बेडिंग भी उसमें से एक हिस्सा है. बेडिंग उसमें कपड़े रखे जाते हैं, उसमें बिस्तर रखे जाते हैं, तकिया रखा जाता है. We used to do. We have traveled a lot and I have got much experience in all of it. Right? So, however, I did not say nothing, but I started the packing. It seemed a longer job than I had thought it was going to be, but I got the bag finished at last and I sat on it and strapped it. Aren't you going to put the boots in? Said Harris. By doing these things, Harris forgot that he used to keep the boots inside, right? So what did he do? He just forgot to keep the boots in. वो boots जो था रखना भूल गया था. तो हैरिस ने अपने दोस्त से पूछा, "Yes, are you going to put the boots in?" And I looked round. मैंने देखा आजू बाजू. What did he saw? and found I had forgotten them. तो author forgot to keep the books inside. अब जल्दीबाजी में उसने पैक किया तो books उसने पैक करना भूल गया था, books बाहर रह गया। That's just like Alice. He couldn't have said a word until I had got the bag shut and strapped. Of course. And George laughed, one of those irritating, senseless laughs of his. They do make me so wild. दोनों दोस्त थे तो बोलते अरे भाई बूट रखना भूल गए यार, we forgot to keep the boots. And I was, now you can imagine if you have packed each and everything, your bags strap करके रखा हुआ, उसके बाद से चलने को तो किसी ने कह दिया कि भाई आपका बूट आप भूल गए, अब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया। Then what did you do there earlier? Why are you sitting idle? Why didn't you get the bags? Why didn't you reminded me of keeping the boots? आपने मुझे याद क्यों नहीं दिलाया मुझे बूट्स रखने के लिए? You should have reminded me ना? In that way, author was irritated. Okay. I opened the bag and packed the boots in. And then, just as I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. Had I packed my toothbrush? I don't know how it is, but I never knew whether I had packed my toothbrush. अब author जैसे ही बैग को पैक खोलता है और boots को रखता है, उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आता है, यार मैंने अपना टूथब्रश रखा है कि नहीं रखा है? भाई रखा है। अरे बोलते क्यों नहीं यार, रखा है कि नहीं रखा है? भूल गया भाई। Now what happened? My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling. Haunts means डराना, haunts means repeatedly travel. जब भी मैं travel करता हूँ, whenever I am traveling, my toothbrush always gives me problem. Had I packed my toothbrush, I don't know how it is. My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling and makes my life miserly. I dream that I haven't packed it and wake up in a cold perspiration. Perspiration means पसीने से तरबतर होना, जिस तरीके से मैं हो रहा हूँ, right? And get out of bed and hunt for it. And in the morning, I pack it before I have used it. Because whenever you are going somewhere in the morning itself, we do the brush 2 times. हम 2 बार ब्रश करते हैं, एक बार सुबह और एक बार रात को सोने से पहले। आप पता नहीं आप करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं, I don't know, but I do. So that author was going on a trip in the morning. So if he could have kept that brush in the bag in the night itself, how he could have packed the bags without that brush? So what did he do? उसने क्या किया? अगर वो रात में ही ब्रश को रख लेता तो फिर सुबह ब्रश कैसे करता? So he thought that he will keep the toothbrush in the morning itself, right? It is always the last thing I turn out of the bag, and and in the morning I pack it before I have used it, and I have to unpack again to get it, and it is always the last thing I turn out of this bag, and then I repack and forget it. मैं वापस बैग खोलता हूँ, फिर कुछ ना कुछ मैं भूल जाता हूँ, and I have to rush up the stairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. और मैं लास्ट भूल जाता हूँ और अपने जो पॉकेट में रुमाल होती है, रुमाल में रख के फिर मैं भागता हूँ रेलवे स्टेशन जाता हूँ. So this story tells us that we must do our work well ahead of time. हमको समय से पहले सारी चीजें पैक करके चले जाना चाहिए, right? Of course, I had to turn every moral thing out of now, and of course, I could not find it. I rummaged the things up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created. And when chaos reigned, of course, I found George and Harry's 18 times over, but I could not find my own. I put the things back one by one and held everything up and shook it. Then I found it inside a boot. I repacked once more. अब वो सारा टूथब्रश जो है मैं खोजा, सारा कुछ देखिए, आप देख सकते हैं, can see here how this is the author and these were his 2 friends. ये उसके दोनों फ्रेंड्स उसके मजे ले रहे हैं, they were just haunting, they were just irritating him. ठीक है, वो सारा पूरा निकालता है इधर सारे कपड़े इधर और देखता है कि बूट के अंदर उसने टूथब्रश रखा होता है. What a joke! I am teaching you on page number 84, para number 7, right? When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or where it wasn't. And I snapped the bag shut and strapped it and found that and thought that he and George had better to do the rest, and I agreed and sat down, and they had a go. जब ऑथर ने सारा काम खत्म कर लिया, then he told his friends that we have to at night we have to go. So you do your job and I am not going to do now. Two of you have to do the packings. मैं आराम करूँगा, अभी तक मैं काम कर रहा था, आप पैक करें, राइट? तो जॉर्ज ने मुझे मैंने सोप साबुन का केस रखा है कि नहीं रखा है? We also need soaps. We can add soap. Toilet needs soap and everything, right? They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited. अब वे दोनों बता रहे थे कि इस तरीके से पैकिंग की जाती है, बड़े आराम से पैकिंग करनी चाहिए. I should tell you, just make a list. आप कितने कपड़े लेके जा रहे हो? 5 कपड़े. ब्रश, टॉयलेटरी स्टिक कर लीजिए, टिकट स्टिक कर लीजिए, बेडशीट एंड मिसलेनियस स्टिक से गेम्स आपको रास्ते में खेलना है, लूडो, चेस, एवरीथिंग जब टिक कर लीजिए. ना तो आपको मोबाइल में सारे लोग चेस खेलते हैं, बट वो जो चेस और लूडो हम लोग जो मैनुअली रूप से खेलते हैं उसका मजा कुछ और, राइट? ओके. Now the authors, both friends, George and Harry, started packing, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited, with the exception of the George. Harry is the worst packer in the world. उसे लगा कि Harry जो है सबसे worst packer है. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc., and felt that thing would soon become exciting. Now it was Harry's turn. अब Harry's का टर्न था. तो जब वो पैकिंग करने लगता है तो इधर जार, इधर बॉटल, इधर कैटल्स, पाइस, स्टोव्स, केक्स, टोमेटोज, सारे ये खाने के बास्केट हम लोग अलग. When we used to go, I was the only person in my home to pack all the things. I used to, and मुझे खाने का बहुत शौक है. मैं मम्मी से अपनी खाने की चीजें बहुत बनवाया करता था. मम्मी ये बनाना, 2 दिन की जर्नी है मम्मी, गुवाहाटी से गांव जाना है, 24 घंटे की जर्नी है, हुआ बना दीजिए, टिक्को बना दीजिए, नमकीन बना दीजिए, थोड़ा सा मेजोरी नमकीन बना दीजिए. आई एम ए फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग. तो मैं इस तरीके से अपनी मम्मी से कहा करता था. वी यूज्ड, हमारे घर में बैग था येलो कलर का, पहले औरतें सिलाई किया करती थी. इस तरीके का बैग था हमारे, अभी भी है मेरे पास में, लाइक दैट, ऐसा बैग था. प्लास्टिक की चीजें से हम सिला करते थे, मम्मी सिलती थी. सो दैट वी यूज्ड टू कीप ईटेबल्स इन दैट. तो खाने का बैग ही करना चाहिए. और यू मस्ट नो दैट खाने का जो बैग होता है उसको वेट नहीं करते. व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग ऑन ए ट्रिप, इन ए ट्रेन, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि एक टिकट पे 40 केजी से ज्यादा वेट लेके नहीं जा सकते. अगर आप स्लीपर या एसी में जा रहे हैं तो 50 किलो, एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग इन ए स्लीपर क्लास देन यू कैन नॉट कैरी मोर देन 40 kg पर टिकट. एक आदमी पे 40 किलो, 4 आदमी है तो 160 किलो. तो किस लिए अपना बैग वेस्ट करें, ज्यादा लेके जाए. और खाने के सामान का वेट नहीं होता. तो हम जब वेट कराते थे तो भाई ये खाने का हो गया, एक और सामान को बोल देते थे कि ये खाने का सामान है, डोंट नीड टू वेट इट, राइट? So that we should take care of. Now coming on to page number 85, I am on para number 9. It did. They started with breaking a cup. Up cup तोड़ने लगे. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you that they could do and to get you interested. Now that George was very much excited. He wanted to show the author that he can do it. अब उसे कप लगा तो कप को से तोड़ दी. Then Harry stacked the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. स्ट्रॉबेरी जाम को उसने एक टोमेटो के ऊपर रखा और उसको दबा दिया. They had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. अब जब टोमेटो निकालना था तो उसको चम्मच से निकालना पड़ता है क्योंकि टोमेटो जो था नीचे की तरफ दब गया था. And then it was George's turn and it trod. Trod means stepped on the butter. अब जॉर्ज का टर्न था पैकिंग करने का. तो नीचे सब जमीन पे छितरा होता है इसलिए थे. It was all scattered out everywhere. So what did the George do? He just put a big stamp on the butter with his legs. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table. मैं आके किनारे बैठ के देख रहा. He is the author. Just he was saying, अब वो मजे ले रहा था कि कि वो लोग अब गुस्सा हो चुके थे कि अब ये हमारी मदद नहीं कर रहा है. It made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things and put things behind them. Now they were confused how they did the things very messy. They messed up all the things. उन्होंने सारी चीजों को messed up कर दिया, right? Now you must have written all these points. आपने सारे points लिख लिए होंगे. So I am erasing this thing to teach you some more things how to pack the things. It's very interesting chapter, packing. बहुत ही मस्त chapter है. So you must listen and you must join my class, visual class. That class we have been studying since the last 3 months: April, May, June, July, and this is August. Since the last 4 months, it's a very real experience that I had not expected in my life. मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि इस तरीके से मुझे बच्चों को पढ़ाना पड़ेगा और इस तरीके से आप अपनी लाइफ में याद रखेंगे 2020 कोरोना वायरस. You must be enjoying and I am also enjoying, but you can see the drippings on my face. Okay. Now we are on page number 86. I am going to finish within a short minutes para number 9. Now, and then could not find them when they wanted them, and they packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies in. छोटी छोटी चीजों को उन्होंने अंदर रखना स्टार्ट किया और ऊपर से हैवी चीजें, जबकि करना चाहिए था उल्टा. We must keep heavy things downside and soft things in the bag on the top side, so that the soft things does not get destroyed. हमको जो मुलायम चीजें होती हैं ऊपर रखनी चाहिए कि वो डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो, और जो भारी चीजें होती हैं कपड़े वगैरह जो नुकसान नहीं हो सकते उनको नीचे रखना चाहिए. सपोज दैट हमको गिलास की शीशे की गिलास ले जा रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी पैक्ड इन ए वेल कार्टन. उसको लकड़ी के कार्टन जो गत्ते का कार्टन है उसमें पैक करके तब हमको बीच पे रखना चाहिए. दैट इज अ ब्रोकेबल आइटम. वो चीज टूट सकती है, राइट? सो that was the end of the part 1. The rest part 2 we will study in the next class. Till then, goodbye, take care.